Passionate cooks want the best. So when you had questions about the safety and durability of NonStick, Le Creuset listened, creating a collection true to our heritage. Introducing NonStick you can trust. Classic design details complement chef-inspired functionality and go from stovetop to table with stay-cool handles and larger helper handles. Hard-anodized aluminum with a stainless steel base delivers even, consistent heat, and the PFOA-free toughened surface will never flake. Searing, sautéing, and release is easy with superior non-stick performance, so you can use less oil or fat for healthier, more perfect results and effortless cleanup. Durable, versatile, and suited for all cooking surfaces, including induction, the new collection is dishwasher and metal utensils safe. Available in a wide range of sizes and backed by a lifetime guarantee.
That meal looks delicious, doesn't it? You ignited, you sautéed, you seared, and you served. Wow, that tastes good. All for the love of cooking. And you cooked with All-Clad, the original bonded cookware. American-made and best in class. We bond, and we form, we etch, and we rivet. At least 24 hands crafted this pan. Look at that shine. Gorgeous, isn't it? And it cooks even better. From Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, straight to your kitchens. We make durable and high-performance cookware for all your...
This cookware is beautiful and strong. The bronze exterior color with chocolate brown interior is warm and sophisticated. Each piece is made of hard-anodized aluminum, which is twice as hard as stainless steel and a great conductor of heat, meaning no hot spots. Both the inside and the outside of the pan feature an incredible non-stick surface that's metal utensil safe, won't scratch, stain, or chip, and makes cleanup a breeze. The aluminum core offers great heat conduction across the bottom and all the way up the sides of the pan. And the Sure Grip handles are made of durable non-slip silicone. They're oven safe to 400 degrees, and they're also included on the tempered glass lids, which let you watch food as it cooks. Anolon Advanced Bronze has a variety of cookware, bakeware, and tools for all your cooking.
Rome wasn't built in a day. A watched pot never boils. These are the facts of life. Because nothing great happens overnight. And everything worthwhile takes time.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.